The company's 50-day moving average is $22.34 and its 200-day moving average is $22.95. The stock market capitalization is 3.37 B. It has a 52-week low of 16.75 and a 52-week high of 25.85. In connection with the closing of the merger, the company notified the New York Stock Exchange NYSE that the certificate of merger had been filed with the state of Delaware and that, at the effective time, each share of company common stock was canceled and converted into the right to receive the merger consideration, and that each share of company preferred stock issued and outstanding immediately prior to the effective time was automatically converted into the right to receive one share of sterling preferred stock. The shares were acquired at an average price of $22.60 per share, with a total value of $90,400. William Blair Investment Management, LLC now owns 832,154 shares with a value of $19,348,000. The transaction was disclosed in a document filed with the Securities Exchange Commission, which can be accessed through the SEC website. Sterling Bancorp NYSE STL last issued its earnings results on Tuesday, April 25. The financial services provider reported 33 cents earnings per share EPS for the quarter, hitting the Zacks consensus estimate of 33 cents. The return on equity ratio, or ROE, stands at 8.6%, while most common profitability ratio return on investment ROI was 14.9%. On average, analysts anticipate that Sterling Bancorp will post 69 cents EPS for the current fiscal year. The business also recently announced a quarterly dividend, which will be paid on Monday, May 22. CYS Investments, Inc. NYSE CYS is worth $1.32 billion and has recently risen 0.81% to $8.71. The ex-dividend date was Thursday, 3 August 2017. This represents a 28 cents dividend on an annualized basis and a dividend yield of 1.20%. Sterling Bancorp had 26 analyst reports since August 3, 2015, according to RatingsIntel. STL has been the topic of several recent analyst reports. Recent insider trends for Sterling Bancorp NYSE STL have caught the attention of investors. Bank of America Corp. Increased its stake in Sterling Bancorp by 109.5% during the first quarter. Following the transaction, the director now directly owns 135,146 shares of the company's stock, valued at approximately $2,956,994.48. Great West Life Assurance Co. Moreover, Gotham Asset Limited liability has 0% invested in Sterling Bancorp NYSE STL. State Street Corp. now owns 5,931,005 shares of the financial services provider's stock, valued at $140,564,000 after acquiring an additional 1,257,312 shares during the period. Tocqueville Asset Management LP bought a new stake in shares of Sterling Bancorp during the first quarter worth approximately $214,000. Finally, Monarch Partners Asset Management LLC increased its stake in shares of Sterling Bancorp by 237.6% in the first quarter. ROI deals with the invested cash in the company and the return the investor realize on that money based on the net profit of the business. Among 23 analysts covering Johnson & Johnson NYSE JNJ, 10 have buy rating, 5 sell and 8 hold. Kopniski, president and CEO of Sterling Bancorp, said, "The completion of this transaction brings the best of Sterling and Astoria together, allowing us to expand our marketplace, to provide clients with an expanded network of locations, client-centric solutions and enhanced expertise at the new Sterling." They issued an overweight rating on the stock. Zacks Investment Research cut Sterling Bancorp from a buy rating to a hold rating in a research note on Saturday, June 17. Keefe Bruyette Woods reissued a buy rating on shares of Sterling Bancorp in a report on Thursday, September 7. Sterling Bancorp has a consensus rating of buy and an average target price of $27.07. One equities research analyst has rated the stock with a hold rating and 9 have given a buy rating to the company. The stock tapped a 52-week high of $8.98, while the mean 12-month price target for the shares is $7.88. Mentacap Limited Liability Company reported 0.03% of its portfolio in Sterling Bancorp NYSE STL. The hedge fund held 1.05 M shares of the major banks company at the end of 2017 Q2, valued at $24.39 million, down from $1.25 million at the end of the previous reported quarter.